Health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon, a common cooking spice, was historically used as payment. The spice is well liked for cooking, especially in curries and sweet baked goods because of its warm aroma and pleasant flavor. There are two primary cinnamon varieties. Ceylon cinnamon. This type of cinnamon is less common. In fact, you must typically get it at a specialty spice shop. It also has a stronger aroma. Ceylon cinnamon comes from southern India and Sri Lanka. Cassia cinnamon. This variety of cinnamon comes from southern China and is more widely available in grocery stores for use in baking. Additionally, cinnamon comes in sticks and powder form. There are numerous benefits of including warming cinnamon in your diet. It's crucial to remember that additional research is required to fully understand some of the advantages. Come and experience the miracle of having cinnamon with me. 1. Reduces inflammation. Cinnamon aids in wound healing and infection prevention. It contains cinnamon aldehyde, which reduces edema and prevents blood platelets from sticking together. Both acute and chronic pain disorders, like arthritis, can benefit from it. Additionally, cinnamon improves blood flow and encourages it to flow to joints when it is disrupted. 2. Precautions for type 2 diabetes. An essential hormone for managing blood sugar levels and regulating metabolism is insulin. When ingested frequently, cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and decreases blood sugar levels. It slows down the digestion of carbs, which lowers the quantity of glucose that enters the bloodstream. 3. Lower your cholesterol levels. A substance found in cinnamon, called cinnamonate, may lessen the production of cholesterol-producing enzymes, hence lowering blood fatty acid levels. By lowering harmful cholesterol levels, it lowers your risk of developing heart disease. 4. Reduces blood pressure. There is some data to support the notion that cinnamon eating lowers blood pressure momentarily. Additionally, it lowers cholesterol levels, which lowers the risk of developing cardiac issues. 5. Preventative for cancer. Cinnamon offers cancer-preventing qualities. It reduces the growth of cancer cells and prevents the creation of blood vessels and tumors. When ingested frequently, cinnamon has a preventative impact against cancer, particularly colon cancer. 6. Combat acne. Best for skin health is cinnamon. It helps to reduce the acne-causing bacteria. 7. Loaded with antioxidants. Oxidative stress, which has been shown to harm cells and have a role in almost every chronic disease, including type 2 diabetes, can be reduced by antioxidants. Choline, beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and other antioxidants are abundant in cinnamon. Because of how potent it is, cinnamon serves as a natural food preservative. 8. Skin elasticity improvement. Cinnamon keeps your skin shiny and smooth. Due to a decrease in collagen and elastin as you age, your skin becomes bland and loses its elasticity. The best protein to restore natural elasticity is found in cinnamon extract, which is present in many lotions. 9. May have positive impacts on neurodegenerative disorders. Progressive loss of the structure or function of nerve cells is a hallmark of neurodegenerative disorders. The two most prevalent forms are Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Certain substances in cinnamon seem to prevent the accumulation of a protein called tau in the brain, which helps to build up positive impacts on these disorders. 10. Might prevent fungal and bacterial infections. One of cinnamon's primary active ingredients, cinnamon aldehyde, may be effective against a variety of infections. Additionally, it might prevent the growth of several germs, including Salmonella and Listeria. Cinnamon's antibacterial properties may lessen foul breath and prevent tooth decay. The cinnamon family tiny evergreen tree from which the spice is derived has inner bark. It was previously more priceless than gold. This spice is well liked in cooking because of its pleasant flavor and cozy aroma, especially in baking and curries. Since the dawn of time, it has been the most widely used medicinal spice. Cinnamon's nutritional profile: 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon has enough calcium and 1.4 grams of fiber. Along with certain antioxidants, it also has vitamins A, B, and K. The original form of cinnamon, Ceylon, is highly prized for desserts because of its slightly softer flavor and reduced cinnamaldehyde level. True cinnamon, commonly referred to as Ceylon cinnamon, is significantly more expensive and difficult to come by. Ceylon's extremely low coumarin content is the key advantage it has over cassia. While both varieties of cinnamon have benefits, Ceylon is preferred. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.